Hello dear viewers, good day and welcome you to watch our video on TDI indicator explain. Well, previously I will suggest you to before you watch this video, you can set up a TDI indicator in your mobiles and also in desktop platforms. And because a lot of us may think who are actually on trading on retail derivatives broker or even sale platforms in like Binance, KuCoin, or we can also say some other platforms to web platforms too. But whatever the way we trade, we actually need to analyze the market, and any kind of indicator who can actually tells us some definite market scenario. So I guess it will help. So I find TDI indicator a bit similar to that, I'm gonna show you how you can use it to its utmost potential, because I'm gonna explain you how to use this indicator in this video. So moving on, let's just go to a PDF. It's been made by Market Makers Method Group. Thanks to you guys. This is a very important document I received from the web, and I actually congratulate you for this wonderful discovery and about the wonderful beauty of this algorithm and this TDI indicator. So here we can use it on 5 ways. So first of all, the basic signals, how it actually generates signals. It's actually in this document it's been saying on like green line, red line, or something like that, but as we change some of the colors, I'm gonna tell you in this video, you will see the green line as something like yellow. Let me show you. So this is the green line that they're saying. This is the red line which actually we actually colored it magenta, and the yellow line we didn't put it yellow just because to make it not much shiny, so we just put it blue. But I guess the explanation in the videos are kind of is the main thing that we are going to focus today. So let's move on. In the TDI signal part, we can have see that like for example, someone wants to take a long trade. They're gonna wait the red line or green line both above the yellow line, that's what I'm gonna say, and exits when the red line and the green line both actually crosses the yellow line here in this document. Same thing goes for the short entries too. So let's find it on the live chart, that how it's gonna be look like yes, you can see on the M15 chart that here the both magenta line and this yellow line, that means the green line and the red line in the PDF need to be above this blue line, or let's just say yellow line over here, according to the PDF. Now when it goes above this level, then the marker is gonna go bull. That's what actually it went on M15, and later on it actually crosses this line on this candle. So yes, there was an entry from, let's just say, 33,260 to 33,400 for US30 on TDI indicator, and later on for sell side it actually triggered confirmed a sell on this part on 33,287, or let's just say 33,300 level, and I guess it's not continuing to downfall right now because it's been crossing this line too. And let's just say on H1 what we can see, yes, on H1 we can see here it crosses this line, and then going on the market still above the blue line. So yes, the buy momentum can happen any moment. As we can see in the previous hour, market actually moved a lot of lower, but in the end it actually moved up. So I guess on this hour too, it actually moved down a little bit and then it's moving up. So yes, there are some buy liquidities on here, unless or until on H1 this yellow line doesn't crosses this blue over here. So that's actually we're gonna expecting for TDI. It's the TDI's basic signal process. So let's move on to the next one, which is reversal or swing position strategy. It's actually been based on the levels, let's just say in the PDF it's been said 32 and 68 level. Here we just improvise a little bit, we're not gonna say about 32 levels, we're gonna say about 25 and 18 here, and instead of considering the 68 level, we are considering 75 and 82.5 level. So let's see how it gonna respond. So when it actually goes and hits, let's just say this level 25 or say 18, so then there is a possibility, two of the possibility. One is that it will go more downwards, or it will actually reverse its trajectory back to upwards from here by crossing back this line, and that actually happened over here, right? And it actually moved by a little bit, like here in the TDI indicator, as we are seeing, it moved more by, unless or until it actually crosses back the blue line over here. Then there are some squeezing moments over here, and then it goes more upward. So let's get back to the third one, TDI hook, which is a counter trend setup. So it actually depends on a bending curve type shape of the green line, or let's just say the brighter line over here. And it actually depends that when it's way to 50 level, moving back to 50 level, so that's how it's gonna, we are gonna look at. Like here in the picture, market moved down, then a little bit up, and then it crosses the red line over here. We like say liquidity push line, the red line as, and then it moved up, and also we have seen some divergence application here. So we have hook and divergence, squeeze, and breakout. So now the hook system is that before actually been changing its direction, it's gonna create a kind of hook like figure like this in the opposite direction. Like if it's gonna go buy, it's gonna create some hook structure on the sell side, or let's just say below the red line side. If it's gonna sell, it will do the same on the alternate way. And we also have some divergence application over here. So let's just what's the hook application on the chart. So yeah, it's come something like that. Market moved down, it creates some hook like structure, and then it crosses the red line, or let's just say magenta line in here. Let's just zoom back in, just like that. And later on it actually moved goodbye. Yes, now before going sell, it actually made a like hook like structure too, and then crossed the line here back. So yes, from there a sell entry was also can also be made. It also triggered a good bearish entry from here due to this structure. And talking about the divergence, we can see it on a regular basis over here, like for example here, this is a divergent line and this is a divergence line. The market is just going sell, so yes, it's a divergence on M1. Let's just see. On M15 we can search some. Yes, here this is a good divergence from over here. Like if we draw it, yeah, I guess you can see it much more perfect way. Let's just make it a little bit brighter. Yes, so here it is, and that's another. So yes, this is the divergence. Goodbye from here. It's been going on. So yes, so the hook structures and the divergence both are possible from this TDI setup. There's a another structure called squeeze. Yes, it is. So before actually shifting and before creating a good amount of liquidity momentum, TDI indicator squeezes a little bit according to the Bollinger Bands too. And before just running to the liquidity, this situation happens. So how I mean these trades can be captured, like for example squeeze high. So we are gonna expect a reversal down with yellow line near 68 level. Look for green below red, the blue below yellow. Enter the break of low blue volatile line. Exit when the green line crosses above blue volatility line. So squeeze is high and squeeze is low. So when the squeeze is high happens, the market goes to downwards. When the squeeze low happens, on the 32 or this kind of level, it's gonna go up. So let's see how in market it has some applications. I guess on a one chart we can see it so much frequently. Or we can search it for H1. Yes, I guess we can find something like that. Yes, here as you can see that the market is actually moving a little bit slower. The yellow part is in between this blue Bollinger part, and above the not near close to 68 level, but yes, above 50 level, especially 58.5 level. So that's important. And then it break, and then the sell happens. So yes, it triggered a good bearish entry. So yes, this structure strategy also can work on TDI. And at last, the momentum trade, like it happens after the squeeze situation. Like shortly after squeeze, look for a green line to make a strong angle while breaking one of the blue volatility lines. Angle of green line should be 12:30 to 1 for a long trade, or 5:30 for a short trade. Okay, so it's been saying the angle of the line, how we can actually denote that this is a very strong setup. So in this situation, after the squeeze moment happened, yes, here when the squeeze moment happened, so later on it actually dropped back to this 25 to 18 level. So yes, this setup is also can be possible. So and when the strong momentum was been here, we can see that every time it actually been rejected from this line, red line. So yes, it was a perfect sell setup. It well, actually, I missed the setup today, but hopefully you will not on any kind of future trades. Now let me explain why in the earth I tried to put a buy over here. Now on H4 chart, as you can see, I am saying that the price is actually been on a good run, and I am saying that on TDI the H1 indicator is still above this blue line, and before this kind of sell thing happened, so this structure actually confirming me that yes, the sell trades here right now is actually nothing but kind of weak setup. The strong setup is on the buy side, and as we can see on this top level to here, this is my SL level. So if the market doesn't reach this level, I am hoping that it will go up to 450 level, 33,450 level, or close to 33,400 level. So let's see what happens. So that's is the video is all about. We have discussed TDI indicator and some of its applications in between the video, and we have structured the way of you using it. Another wonderful way of using it is that in M15, if you watch this green line, this is actually been showing the perfect market structured scenario. The red line over here is actually showing the scenario of H1 chart, and the blue line over here is showing the structure of H4 chart according to the market movement. So here in M15 time frame on TDI indicator, you can actually watch the whole market in an overall scenario. Like for example over here, you can see it's been rejected back from a Bollinger Band, and then it actually broke it over here and had a good buy run, and later on it actually crossed this red line over here. So yes, there had been a good trade setup from 33,225 to up to 33,440 levels buy setup from TDI indicator today. And also we have discussed some sell setup, right? So this indicator helps in any, like I'm actually showing you the index side. Now let's see on crypto. Let's just say high liquidity trading instrument like BTC USD. It can also work good over here, like here in H4 it's been kind of like sideways, and let's just say in H1 it's actually showing a little bit it's actually showing a good setup on sell side. I hope it will go a little bit bearish from now, say from 16,000. And if you ask how much bearish, we can say that yes, it's up to not much, up to 15,000 level or something like that. So that's what actually we are expecting from TDI on shorter term. Let's just say on M1 we're seeing that yes, it's going downwards too. Yes, it's going downwards. So that's how it's gonna use the TDI indicator. I guess if you works on RSI, if you works on moving average, or if you don't work on it, you just work on price action, or just let's just say structured elite wave or something like that. I guess if you add this TDI indicator as an addition for extra confirmation, I think it will be a plus. It will just improve your trading winning ratio for obvious reasons. So stay tuned for us for more educational video, and if you like this video, share and subscribe to our channel. So that's all for now, and before our next video comes out. Till then, have a nice day and have a happy trading. And let us know how much you feel about our videos and what we can offer you for our next video. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.